Welcome to Malang Live Studio. This is the Harbin Malang Technical Development Limited Corporation, and here is our company logo. Now let's have a look at our Malang brand air compressor. Yes, here it is. On the surface, we could see that here is our company logo, and here is our model number, yes, on it, and other information. Yes, if you want to customize, if you want to mark your logo on the product, we can make it for you accordingly. And I'd like to tell that since the air compressor is a key component of the braking system on the diesel mechanical vehicle, our company uses the 4-axis machine center to meet the material clearance of the parts. In the case of the increased heat dissipation, noise is better controlled, so that the service life is greatly increased. This provides you a more comprehensive guarantee for all aspects of vehicle driving. From the outlook, we can see that it is with a professional process, and also the quality is very good. And on this place, here is the detailed introduction for attention, and also we can put it into other languages such as English, Russian, etc. So you just need to tell us your requirements for this air compressor, and the design, and also the language for the attention, and we can make it for you accordingly. The more important is that we can offer you a best price. Yes, your choice for our Malang brand will be your right choice. Just try it.